Good afternoon. Today is August 8, 2024. It is Thursday. I am now with you and about experiencing routine hotel name. Hotel where we are operating in Cebu Theological University, Istra Office. Hotel when start operating. March, February 28, February 20, together so till February, March, April, May, so 4 months work and May 31. Okay. So tell what ang work sa registrar office. What ang work. Some you if course 2 years maybe so then what would experience na fantastic what would out if marong kaya na now finish naman so where naman so mo na ang work dito work but mapinis naman ito dito work now ito man plan finish naman graduate ikaw finish naman graduate well maka-like mo apply o work Cebu or Negros as Cebu where maka-like apply work what na office or office where man office nga mag-work where ka apply find ba this company where maka-like mo apply o work wala pa later na natin it's under talo sa work para stay lang ka together sa mama dito now iba mama together together mo Muslim dito Muslim pas iba together mo now sa mga yan what please Dikla. No, okay. So, then, so, planning mo later na have na work. Roslyn have na work. Roslyn ba na? Oo. Have na siya work. Saya lah. What coding? Like that. Magit na sila now. Magit na lang. Then, plan man ma-apply over. Pero kaya lang. Maybe. So, tell them mo now, if mo-apply ka over, sino mo so kaya lang. So, fine na niya. Say myself, then later, if, say, 10. Tapos limon tinaw na work, when start siya lang yan. 1 month na. So, what niyang work sa Ayala? Hindi, what niyang work? Hotel. Housekeeping. Asa man nga name sa hotel? What name title sa business? What name? Sida? Sida Hotel? O Asia ay name picture para si true ang para aware po para low para nakaulit ada dek like market work. Understand? So next we do plan. So what man return sa ODP? What man na-learn sa ODP? Needs, patience, what man values, good, if, mag-ODP. Okay, example, early. So always mataka early. Diba? Early. Understand? Early ba? Early. Para nagkamali. Tip 7. What will ko alam niya? May 8 ang start sa work. O ba? So early. Diba? Kaya mo early mata. So. 6 pa. Okay lang na. Wala yung meron siya sa kapatid. And next, i-plan nga. So, kung yung sali ka, housekeeping. Ay, nasan, pan ito. So, mag-clean sa mga PR, mag-clean sa bed. So, mag-clean, tip, housekeeping. So, nakakatusa. Like mag-work and one cook, computer, mag-work, fine, follow the house lane. So, half the days is a week for work. Okay, thank you.